So, what if you could build your very own AI executive assistant? Today, we're going to break down a really cool open source project from LangChain. And here's the thing, it's not just another app, it's a complete architectural blueprint for how you can create these sophisticated AI agents from the ground up.
We've all been there, right? You open your laptop and bam, the inbox is overflowing. It's just this constant stream of requests, and there's never enough time to handle it all. It's a pain point for pretty much everyone. Well, this project tackles that exact problem, asking a huge question. Could an AI actually step in and manage all that chaos for you?
The project is called the Executive AI Assistant, and its whole purpose is really important to grasp. This is not some polished, ready-to-go product you just download. Instead, I want you to think of it like a detailed set of architectural plans, showing you exactly how to build a powerful AI agent that can handle a really complex job. So the assistant's work basically happens in 4 key steps. First, it's constantly watching and pulling in your email. Then it triages everything, figuring out what's important and what's not. For the stuff that matters, it actually takes action. It'll draft a response or try to schedule a meeting. And then, and this part is absolutely crucial for building trust, it presents everything it's done to you for review before a single thing gets sent. Now, you might be wondering, how can an AI possibly manage such a complex, multi-step process? Well, the secret sauce here is a framework called LangGraph. This is what's powering the agent's brain, so to speak. It's what allows it to do way more than just answer a single question. It enables this whole sophisticated, ongoing workflow. Yeah, it's all powered by LangGraph. You see, unlike a simple straight line of commands, LangGraph structures the AI's thinking like a graph. That means it isn't just locked into a one-way street. It can loop back on itself, reconsider a step, reflect on its own work, and, this is the game changer, it can pause at any point to wait for you, the human, to give feedback. This ability to cycle and wait is what makes a truly collaborative agent possible. And the architecture itself is beautifully modular. Think of it like a little team of specialists. You've got a triage specialist that acts as the first filter. You've got a drafting expert that actually writes the emails. There's even a rewrite editor for getting the tone just right. But honestly, the most powerful member of this team is the reflection module, which allows the entire system to learn from its mistakes and from your feedback over time. So all this clever architecture, it all leads to maybe the most critical concept of all, the human in the loop. This isn't just some feature they tacked on at the end. It's the core design philosophy. Because look, to trust an AI with your professional reputation, you need to have total control. And that's exactly what this system is built for. And let's be real here. As one user pointed out, the AI is not perfect. It still makes mistakes. The key is that the system's designers know that. They acknowledge it. And that, right there, is the first step to building a tool that's genuinely useful, instead of one that just overpromises and underdelivers. This leads to a huge insight. The solution to AI's imperfections isn't just waiting for a flawless model to appear out of thin air. No, it's designing for human oversight right from the very start. In this system, you, the user, are the final checkpoint. You're the ultimate quality control. So here's what that actually looks like in practice. You get a special agent inbox where you can see all the AI suggestions. You can approve a draft with just one click. You can edit it before it goes out. Or, and this is so key for making it smarter over time, you can tell it to just ignore the item. That ignore button is powerful feedback that teaches the agent not to bother you with similar, unimportant stuff in the future. Okay, so if you're a developer and this sounds pretty cool, you're probably facing that classic dilemma. Do I build it myself, or do I buy a managed solution? Well, this project smartly offers 2 totally distinct paths, catering to both of those needs. The choice really comes down to this. You can run everything locally on your own machine. It's free, besides API fees, and it's perfect for prototyping and just learning how it works. But for a real production environment, you'd have to manage all the scaling and databases yourself, which can be a huge headache. And that's where the commercial LangGraph platform comes in. It handles all that complexity for you when you're ready to build serious, scalable applications. All right, let's zoom out for a minute. How does an open source blueprint like this stack up against a polished commercial product that does something kind of similar? This comparison really shines a light on the different strategies and philosophies behind building AI tools. So you have the executive AI assistant, which is proactive. It's trying to automate tasks for you.
Then you have a tool like Superhuman Ask AI, which is more reactive. It's great at searching your email and answering questions you ask it. But the biggest difference, it's all about transparency and customizability. With this open source blueprint, developers get full access. You can see how it works, you can change it. With a closed product, the logic is a total black box. It's really a choice between a tool you can shape yourself and a service you just use as is.
And all this leaves us with a really fascinating question about the future of AI. As it gets more and more woven into our daily work, what's going to win out? Will it be these polished, closed products that work for everyone? Or will it be these customizable, transparent blueprints that technical teams can adapt to their exact needs? This project, well, it makes a really strong case that for complex, high-stakes jobs, the future just might belong to the blueprint.